go, guys.
The shoe? It's gotta be the shoes, cause girlies, they clock. They stand around the dock, so I say boom, shakalaka. Grab the